This year, the theme of our Christmas displays at Waddesdon focuses on a wonderful set of paintings telling the story of the Sleeping Beauty, and they're by a Russian Jewish artist called Léon Bakst. They were commissioned by James de Rothschild, so a member of the Rothschild family. The other thing which is really exciting is that we've used this idea of them being designed and painted by a theatre designer to work with a contemporary theatre designer, Tom Piper, who has done an installation in the house which is a kind of a reflection and a response to one of the paintings from the series. It's two designers talking to each other across time, which is rather wonderful.
For me, it's lovely to be part of the whole kind of Christmas installation that, I've been before to the Waddesdon Christmas, and it's beautiful the way that it highlights the house and brings out this lovely juxtaposition of the beautiful objects in the house with Christmas themes and the Christmas trees and all the decoration and lights. And so for me, it's been really nice to be able to do this installation, be very aware that it's actually part of Christmas. So we've got these winter trees that are emerging out of mirrored covers, so you get kind of multiple faceted versions of the trees, and that kind of makes it, hopefully for families, a kind of like, it's a sort of magical winter wonderland, but it's also this Sleeping Beauty painting, kind of the two of them merged together. And then the other element is a soundscape being created by students from the Guildhall.
The first thing that really interests us is coming back to Waddesdon because it's such an amazing place. And then to get involved with Tom Piper, of course, on a major installation in the house. Is a fantastic opportunity for the students. The thing that drew us most to it was the opportunities of installing the sound in different wardrobes.
When you're walking around the room, as you poke your head next to one of the wardrobes, you might hear different sounds between the fairies and the dragons. We were really excited about the fact that not only the electronic produced music students have designed the soundscape, but they actually came to Waddesdon Manor and helped with the installation. We were overcome by the fantastical nature of the building itself, and then working inside and alongside the existing team was amazing because we all felt like Santa's little helpers getting ready for Christmas.
I really want visitors to be enchanted and delighted by what they see this year. And also it's a way of encouraging people to look at the place and its history and the wonderful things that we have at Waddesdon in a slightly different light, through a different lens, through other people's eyes, really. We're just so excited about the way in which we've been able to take inspiration from this wonderful set of paintings. And I cannot wait for visitors to see what we've created here at Waddesdon this year.